Hi guys, it's Jamila here from Slapp. Today I'm going to be doing a video on the brand new Dior Backstage Rosy Glow Blushes. So I'm just going to get into it, but if you haven't subscribed already guys, please subscribe. We'd love to have you in the Slapp family. And without further ado guys, here is the video. They have just launched with 4 new shades and I managed to get my hands on one whilst I was in DC. Dior Backstage Glow Blusher. It started with one blusher that was supposed to work for all skin tones. It was a very baby pink blusher that I never tried because it looked a little bit too pink for me and I didn't really believe what it was saying. This is a color reviving powder blush which gives a natural healthy glow effect. It is 4.4 grams and 0.15 ounces. They've actually just released some new shades. I tried a couple of those new shades on in Sephora. I will insert the swatches in my vlog, so do check out my next vlog. If you're not a member, it's £1 a month. One I picked up was kind of random. I don't know why I picked it up, but it just was calling me because it was so different. I felt like I should try it just in case any of you are intrigued by it. Rosy Glow Blush is the Dior makeup artist's secret weapon to create the appearance of naturally rosy cheeks for a fresh glowy effect. Infused with color reviver technology, it reacts to the skin's moisture level upon application for a customized rosy effect. 4 new Backstage Rosy Glow Blush shades are Berry, Cherry, Rosewood and Mahogany. They're going to be available in June on their website and retailers. I actually didn't see, I think it was Cherry or Rosewood wasn't available in store, so in the end I ended up getting Mahogany, which is like the randomest shade because it's not really a blush, but I just thought, why did they create this brownish blush if it's not good? And I felt like it's the one that no one was really going to try because it just felt so random. So being me and being random, I picked that shade up. Now I feel like a bit stupid that I picked that shade up, but that's the shade I got. Hopefully this is helpful. I don't know if anyone actually wants to know about the Mahogany one, but that's the one I've got. So I'm going to show you it on, show you some swatches, and then I'm going to get into a demo. Definitely not a blusher, and I think when I looked at it from the outside it looks a lot more Bordeaux, it looks a lot more berry than it actually is. It is a proper rich brown. I don't really see much redness in it. I don't really see any redness in it, and it's actually richer than all of my other bronzers that I swatched today. It's richer than the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush bronzer in 4. I couldn't do a proper swatch of that because it's actually broken. It's richer than the Pat McGrath bronzer I have, and it's also richer than my Victoria Beckham as well. It does have a very nice consistency to it. It has a really nice soft buttery feel, and it actually is a lot richer in pigment than it was or than any of the others were when I swatched them in store. It does have that same silky consistency that Dior Backstage powder does, which is really nice. It's totally different to the Pat McGrath Paradise Venus blush. I thought maybe they'd be similar, but they're not at all. It's completely brown, and so I'm very shocked, but I do really like the packaging. I think the packaging's cool. I really like the look of this in the pan. It looks really nice. I think this is a really nice looking bronzer, if it does turn out to be a bronzer. I love the imprint of the Dior. It's really pretty. I like the Perspex bottom. It's just like classic Backstage Dior, and I love the silver as well. So I do like the packaging. It's cool. It's very Dior Backstage vibes. I don't know if this is going to give me a rosy glow. I feel like this is going to give me a rosy bronze or a bronzy glow. I don't see any glitter or golden particles in it. It does have an ever so slight bronzeness to it, so that might make it look a bit more flattering, but here we go. I'm just gonna try it on. It does actually have a really nice finish to it. It feels very soft and buttery, and it does seem slightly warming as well. So I'm going to layer it up a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to try it on this side here. So guys, that is it on. That's the brand new Rosy Glow blush in Mahogany. Definitely not a blush, but I do find it very warming and actually quite flattering for my skin tone. I think it actually gives me a really nice bronze glow without being like too light, without being too neutral or flat. It actually is a really nice warming bronzer. So I actually do like it for what it isn't, but I do really like it as a product. I think it's something I would definitely use. I do think it's worth the price point, 40 US dollars. I guess it's going to be about £36. Not bad at all for a really nice bronzer. It's got a really nice finish, a really nice texture and formulation. It feels very soft. Doesn't feel like I've got anything on. It just glides on. It's very buildable. I've built it up quite a lot, but it just flatters me. So I do like it, even though I thought I was getting a blusher, a brownie blush. I guess it's just a nice warming bronze. I'm feeling like it's a vibe, but maybe that's just because the sun is glowing and I'm feeling very sun-kissed. Anyway guys, I hope you like this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, guys. Will you be buying it? Will you be trying it? Do you like the look of this? Which shade will you be trying? What shades do you have your eye on, if not this one? Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed already, guys, please subscribe. We'd love to have you in the Slapp family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.